and friends. I am Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. Today I am going to tell you the tale of two traders, Straddle and Strangle. Once upon a time, in the bustling town of Dalal Street, there lived two seasoned traders. One is Samai, the straddler, and the Sanvi, the strangler. They both had a special gift, the ability to make money not by predicting where the market would go, but simply by knowing that a big move was coming. Samai, the master of the straddle, was known for his calm and composed nature. He believed in staying right at the center of action whenever the market was quiet for too long and the silence started whispering about an upcoming storm. Samai made his move. On one such day, Nifty was trading around 25,000. Samai went to the option market and bought a call option at 25,000 and a put option at 25,000. Both were at the money options. Same expiry, same strike. What was his logic? He didn't know whether the Nifty will go up or down, but when it moves, it surely will. It will move big. And one of these options will explode in value. If the market shot up to 25,800, his call would become a fortune and his loss in the put would be minor. If the market crashed to 24,200, the put would rain profits while the call quietly faded. Samai smiled. Let the markets speak. I am prepared for the road. Sanvi, the queen of strangle, unlike Samai, was a bit more cautious with her coins. She allowed room to breathe. Instead of standing in the center of the market battleground, she stood a little to the side, but on both sides. When Nifty was at 25,000, Sanvi went ahead and bought a call option at 25,300. That is out of the money call option. And a put option at 24,700. This was called a strangle. Cheaper than Samai straddle, but with a catch. The move needed to be larger to make money. She said, I don't mind if Nifty tiptoes around 25,000. She said, but if it starts more running wild in any direction, I'll catch it. If the Nifty flew to 25,600, our call at 25,300 would shine. If it tumbled to 24,300, our put would roar. She didn't need to spend as much as Samai, but she needed a bigger leap from the market to cross her profit line. When the market moved one fine morning, the market opened with a blast. An RBI announcement sent shockwaves. Nifty leapt to 25,700 by noon. Samai's call option was in massive profit. His put became worthless, but he didn't mind. The overall trade was green. Sanvi's call started shining too. It was already deep in the money, bought cheaply, and now sold high. Both made money, but in different ways, with different risk-reward equations. The moral of the story is, straddle is for those who expect a big move soon. That's what happened today. Market gave big move towards the downside move and don't mind paying a bit more to be right at the center. Strangle is for those who want to spend less but are ready to wait for a stronger push in either direction. In the magical land of options, it is not always about direction. Sometimes all you need is movement. Yes, you need movement and the right strategy to capture it. Another story, short straddle and short strangle tail, that I will come up with in my next video. Okay, friends, thank you very much. I hope this made clear for you about straddle and strangle in option world. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.